Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right now with safety and a plan. Park level, set the brake, and chock a wheel. Put on gloves and spray a little lubricant at the cap seam to loosen corrosion. Use a thin, flat screwdriver or plastic pry tool under the cap lip. Angle it so you don't score chrome. Pry gently in short increments around the cap. Once it moves, shift to the next spot. These first actions reduce damage risk and prepare the cap to come off cleanly. Once the cap is partially free, continue around its circumference in multiple small pries. You want even force so the chrome doesn't dent. If it's seized, apply penetrating oil at the seam and wait 5 to 10 minutes. The oil breaks corrosion bonds. Then try again, using a rubber mallet to tap your pry tool gently, not the cap itself. If a retaining ring is present, compress it or unclip it before pulling the cap off. This staged approach prevents snapping or bending the nut. After removal, clean the nut and studs with a brush, wipe away lubricant, and inspect threads for damage. If caps are dented or split, replace them with matching OEM pieces to ensure proper seating. Tighten lug nuts to spec once caps are off, and use a torque wrench. If a cap still refuses to come off, apply controlled heat for 30 to 60 seconds to expand metal. Then reapply penetrating oil and repeat the pry sequence. Make sure to avoid paint and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.